Welcome to the best picks. The best baguette pans is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in a baker's arsenal. These pans are the secret weapon for achieving those golden brown, crispy-crusted, and airy baguettes that you crave. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, the right baguette pan can transform your bread-making experience, turning your kitchen into a Parisian-style bakery. Number 5. Elbee Home 8-piece Non-Stick Bread Baking Pan Set. This is the ultimate baking set for bread lovers. It includes everything you need, from roasting pans to mini loaf pans, all designed to make baking easier. This set has it all: a large roasting pan, loaf pans, baguette pans, cooling racks, and even a mini loaf pan. You won't need to search for missing pieces anymore. Start your baking journey with this all-in-one set. The innovative design allows all the pieces to stack neatly together, saving space in your kitchen. Made from durable aluminized steel, this set is completely non-stick, dishwasher safe, and rust resistant. It can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This bread pan set is a great gift for weddings, new homes, or anyone who loves to bake. It's a thoughtful and practical present that anyone would appreciate. The set includes a large roasting pan, 2 loaf pans, 2 baguette pans, 2 cooling racks, and an 8-cavity mini loaf pan. They are perfect for any baking needs. What we like? This set is an all-in-one solution, including everything you need for various baking needs. It features a unique space-saving design, allowing all the pieces to nest neatly together. If you are looking for a comprehensive and convenient baking set, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These pans take up a little space, stacked perfectly, clean up well, and are very sturdy. Easy to clean. Light, compact, well-constructed, non-stick surfaces. Number 4. Non-stick baguette baking pan. Introducing the non-stick baguette baking pan. This pan is designed to help you bake perfect baguettes every single time. It's an essential tool for both beginners and professional bakers. Made from food-grade aluminum with a non-stick coating, this pan can withstand high temperatures. The holes in the surface allow moisture to escape, ensuring your loaves crisp and brown evenly. This tray is perfectly sized to bake 3 baguettes at once, each mold measuring 15.1 by 11.2 by 1.4 inches. It's non-toxic and won't release any unwanted flavors, guaranteeing fresh and delicious baguettes. Use this oven pan to elevate your sourdough or create amazing grilled cheese sandwiches with fresh baguettes. With 3 molds, you can enjoy your fresh bread in multiple ways. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe the baguette tray with a damp, soft cloth and a little washing up liquid. Remember, it's not suitable for the dishwasher, as this may damage the non-stick coating. Forget about baking paper. This special baking tray ensures your baked goods are successful right away, without sticking, and with easy cleaning afterward. It makes baking baguettes simple. What we like? The perforated design ensures even baking and a crispy crust. The non-stick coating makes it easy to release your baguettes. If you like perfectly baked baguettes with minimal effort, this pan is a must-have. What people say. The baguette pans are perfect for baking baguettes. The pans are well-made and sturdy. The baguettes come out with a nice crust and soft interior. Number 3. Eparé 15 Non-Stick French Bread Pan. Tired of store-bought bread? This pan makes baking baguettes at home virtually foolproof. The non-stick and perforated surface ensures easy release and a perfect golden crust every time. Designed for optimal heat conduction, this pan guarantees uniform baking. It takes the guesswork out of baking, delivering professional quality French bread consistently. This heavy-duty pan is built to last, providing reliable performance for all skill levels. The non-toxic coating ensures long-lasting satisfaction for years of delightful baking adventures. Enjoy homemade bread with ease, thanks to the dishwasher-safe design. This pan is engineered for quick and easy cleaning, ensuring a hassle-free baking journey. The non-stick coating is 100% food safe. You'll receive a sturdy baguette pan measuring 15 inches long. It offers a reliable baking surface and exceptional durability, perfect for baking delectable bread. What we like? This pan delivers superb results with its non-stick, perforated surface. It is designed for optimal heat conduction, ensuring uniform baking. If you are a baker who values both quality and convenience, you will love this one. What people say. Arrived in perfect condition, very solid piece of bakeware. Not a lightweight pan. I bought this because I wanted a baguette mold with non-stick coating that I felt confident is free from PFOA+, as well as nickel and cadmium. This is a quality, extremely affordable pan, perfectly sized for a regular oven. Made my very first baguettes today, first loaf of bread in over a decade, and very pleased with this pan. Does exactly what it says. Beautiful crust all the way around and lovely, rounded loaves, super happy to have this piece in my bakeware collection. Baguettes come out perfect, never stick, and these are great for the last proofing right before placing in the oven. Very sturdy despite being weightless and gives perfect size baguettes. I purchased this pan to see if my traditional loaf recipe could easily be turned into baguettes, and it worked like a charm. I just split the dough in two, rolled and stretched into long loaves and let rise for the last time in the baguette pan before baking. Cleanup was a breeze too. Number 2. Fulimax Baguette Pan, Non-Stick French Bread Pan. This Fulimax baguette pan features a non-stick coating, making cleanup a breeze. The perforations allow air to circulate, resulting in a light, airy interior and a crispy, golden brown crust. It's an easy way to bake warm, fresh Italian bread. The pan measures 15.15 by 11 inches, with each well being 2.77 inches wide. This design allows you to bake 3 loaves at once. You'll love baking bread with this pan. Made from food-grade carbon steel, this pan is eco-friendly, strong, and durable. The coating is long-lasting and reliable. It is made of much thicker material than regular ones, and the coating will not fall off. This Italian loaf pan is suitable for making many types of bread, including French bread, baguettes, hot dogs, and sub rolls. It can be used in both the oven and freezer. However, do not put it directly on fire. If you have any concerns about the pan, please feel free to contact us. We advise using a stiffer dough rather than a softer dough in this pan. What we like. The non-stick coating and perforated surface ensure easy release and a crispy crust. It is made of durable, food-grade material. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use baguette pan, consider this one. What people say. Baked great. The non-stick coating releases the loaves easily. Bottom crust is crispy and perfectly done. Seems very well made. Sturdy, no sharp edges, including around the holes. Flexes a little bit, but it does not feel at all flimsy. I gave it a light wash before first use and a light wipe of avocado oil to enhance the non-stick surface, then baked. No problems at all with sticking, even though the baguette recipe I used has fairly high hydration and the dough tends to be sticky even with a generous coating of flour. Works really well. Ideal for 2 baguettes at a time. If you plan on making more, get the larger 4 size. Otherwise very nice, the holes allow for baking the bottom to a golden brown. Number 1. 2-pack non-stick baguette pan 15x6.3. Tired of store-bought bread? This pan helps you bake perfect French baguettes right in your own kitchen. It's easy to use and delivers professional results. The non-stick surface ensures your bread slides out effortlessly. Cleanup is a breeze, saving you time and effort after baking. The perforated design allows for optimal air circulation. This results in a beautifully crispy crust and a soft, airy interior. With this 2-pack, you can bake 2 loaves simultaneously. It's perfect for families or for entertaining guests. This versatile pan is suitable for both ovens and toaster ovens. It's a convenient addition to any kitchen. Made with high-quality materials, this pan is built to last. You can enjoy delicious, homemade baguettes for years to come. What we like. This pan features a perforated design for even baking and a non-stick coating for easy release. It allows you to bake 2 loaves at once. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to bake French bread, this is a great option. What people say. Baked almost daily using these and no problem, either oiled, dusted with flour or placing the bread directly on them, the bread never sticks. Super easy to clean, wipe with hot soapy water and rinse. The perforations ensure a perfect crust every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.